maybe could make a manoeuvre. He kind of runs in close to Salad, right in position, he's the thing just coming there. Just now. Back up to a chat with the marshals and anybody else. It's very easy, so much in front of us, so they go easy with it.
Braking area. It's a very long braking area. It's right at the end. You're just trying to, slow that last little bit, at the front tyre to slow the bike down and turn it. And unfortunately, it's knife edge.
Tara Mackenzie's ahead of Bradley. Tara Mackenzie, when we were talking about James Easton, the incident, the chicane there has got ahead of Bradley. Here comes Bradley back up the inside. The yellow flags have been withdrawn, and Bradley goes back ahead of Tara Mackenzie. Brad's so fast through the chicane.
So confident, just throwing his weight from left to right, and
how much time he took back out Jason there?
He obviously didn't want to be in third place.
Yeah, I think that. Don't pass him, just make him angry. That's exactly what Tara Mackenzie just did there just now. We've got Dan Jones getting pushed just that little bit wide. The middle coming through there, so Dan triumph up here in the Super Sport Championship. Just said Bradley does not want to be in third place, and he made that manoeuvre stick on Tara Mackenzie towards the club chicane. Mackenzie once again right underneath, and Brad's had a bit of a bobble on the exit of the corner. That's just going to hurt his drive a little bit, and here comes Tara Mackenzie alongside as they climb Woodham Hill, but Bradley very late in the brakes. Here comes Taz up the inside, and the reigning champion, defending champion, makes that manoeuvre stick, and that was a McCams Yamaha 1-2. Good manoeuvre from Mackenzie.
Yeah, very good. I mean, they've got to be careful not to, hold each other up and let Jason get away. And I think there's definitely a conflict going on of Taz feeling like he can maybe bridge the gap and get past, and Brad having other ideas of it.
We've also seen that Lee Jackson's now back ahead of Leo Hasler on that last lap as well. Sizes at the back of the circuit now on Henderson McCams Yamaha. That's something we're not really used to seeing, so it shows you just how hard the Osho is having to push round the back of the circuit there as Tara Mackenzie lights her up and basically jumping back from the window there as we see him coming through church up towards the chicane. Bradley unable to capitalise from that. Let's see what lap time Mackenzie can put in this time as he comes in towards the chicane, and Peter Hickman